This is a great time for businesses, small and large, all over the valley to participate in the Water Smart Landscapes program. Not only do we pay an incentive for taking out the turf, but there's some hidden incentives like hardscapes and asphalt replacement. Those can be pushed back. Painting the buildings when you keep water off the buildings by doing these conversions. They're great for saving water with the community, and it helps the business's bottom line.
A majority of the community's water is used outdoors, a bulk of it on landscape irrigation. That's water that can't be recycled and returned to Lake Mead. The biggest water guzzler is grass. Reducing outdoor water use is an important conservation goal for Southern Nevada. The SNWA estimates at least 5,000 acres of useless grass still exists in the valley, much of it owned by HOAs and businesses. Grass that's only touched by a mower, bordering a street, or hard to get to is useless and a waste of water. If we converted all the grass in our community to Water Smart Landscaping, we could save more than 12 billion gallons of water each year. And listen to this stat. Converting grass to a water-efficient landscape can save around 55 gallons per square foot a year. So a business that's converting around 10,000 square feet of turf can save upwards of 550,000 gallons of water a year and earn up to a $30,000 cash rebate from the SNWA. So Patrick, tell us who is eligible to apply for the SNWA's Water Smart Landscapes rebate.
Well, any business, large or small, schools, golf courses, HOAs, any commercial business or entity is eligible for the Water Smart Landscapes program. And we encourage these businesses to do these things because quite simply, they have turf that's not being used or utilized for any purpose other than aesthetics. It's just costing them money. So why not lower their expenses by doing a Water Smart Landscape conversion?
Through the SNWA's Water Smart Landscapes rebate program, businesses and other commercial properties can earn up to $3 for every square foot of grass they convert to Water Smart Landscaping, up to 10,000 square feet per project. The rebate pays $1.50 for every square foot over that. The maximum incentive for any property in a fiscal year is $500,000. One of the benefits of the Water Authority's rebate program is that larger properties can do their conversions over time, meaning they can do one large conversion this year and plan another project next year. In fact, many commercial properties prefer to complete their projects in stages.
It allows them to budget these conversions from year to year. So they're not overwhelmed, they're not putting up a lot of capital right up front, they can budget. And then the incentive helps pay for the next phase. So it actually works out for the business, and then it works out for Southern Nevada Water Authority because we get constant water savings.
Since the SNWA launched its Water Smart Landscapes rebate program in 1999, Southern Nevadans have converted 193 million square feet of turf. That's almost enough to wrap a strip of sod around Earth's circumference. This conservation effort has saved our community billions of gallons of water. If you're a property manager or business owner ready to convert your unused grass, here's how you can get started. First, check in with the SNWA. Apply for the rebate online or call our conservation helpline. The Water Authority will conduct a site visit to review the conversion area. Next, dig in. Once approved, the landscape conversion can begin. When completed, you can cash in. The SNWA will send a rebate check upon final inspection. It's that easy. For more information about our commercial rebate program, visit us online at snwa.com.